Hello and welcome to today's live open home on Facebook. I'm John Kettle from Tommy's Real Estate, making open homes easy for busy people, and wow, have I got a real treat for you today. Now before I do anything else, I want to thank my colleague James Copeland for allowing me to do this open home, this broadcast today, because this is his listing, but this apartment is so lovely, it is so wonderful that I wanted everyone to see it, so it's a real treat. So I'm going to do this video too in two parts. Firstly, we're going to do a walkthrough so you can see for yourself the layout and what they've done here. And secondly, then I'll point out some really neat features. Now this apartment, I should say, is currently owned by some young architects who've done just a wonderful job of this apartment. So what I mean by that is that they've completely gutted it and started all over again, and used the canvas that they've got, which is concrete floors and a really nice high stud, and they have created something quite special. That's understating it. It's excellent. So let's do our walkthrough and I'll show you what I mean. So we'll just give you the bare sort of walkthrough of the apartment. So we're walking down now through the kitchen area down towards the main door. And we'll do a whiz around through into the bedroom. So this is the main bedroom. The wardrobe behind the curtains here, behind the drapes. Beautiful colours, very tasteful furniture. Just a really, really nice space to be living. Beautiful living space. And wow! Look at this. This is the bathroom. We'll come back in here too later on, but grab those blue and white tiles. Aren't they gorgeous? So this apartment has two bedrooms, and we're going to now go back through the living area and through to the second bedroom, which is a smaller room, but nonetheless a bedroom, and got this lovely stud height here too, which is just gorgeous. Right, so what makes this apartment special is what the owners have done with it. Some, as I said to you before, some just absolutely lovely little touches. They've got so much beautiful taste. I just love this place, and anyone that walks in is obviously going to just be blown away. So the first thing about the apartment, which makes it really nice too, is the stud height. It's a beautiful height, and then we take the camera up and we'll have a look at one of the really neat features. Now that's the drying rack, and good on them for thinking to do this. It's a really neat thing to do. It's a wonderful thing to have in an apartment, and why they can do it here is because they've got the stud height. So that's a great feature in itself, and it just fits the whole character of the apartment. Now you'll see the exposed concrete floors, and the lovely white decoration. This wall here is almost a pink, so that works really well too, just in contrasting the colours. And the drapes that they've used here are really nice, thin drapes, white, just a gorgeous effect. So we'll turn around now and have a look at the kitchen. The first thing that impresses me about the kitchen are the lights, the lamps, light shades on the lamps, and also the way the kitchen was designed. Now this kitchen has been custom made, and it's very, very clever. So we've got some essentially some really simple touches here, black and white. We've got wooden, black stained particle board with wooden handles, nice, beautifully symmetric round handles, and just gorgeous. It just works so well. You've got a nice white laminated bench top. The kitchen sink is the latest trendy black kitchen sink with black taps, and everything's black and white. It's just gorgeous. Nice and simple, and everything here just works so well and so pleasant on the eye. It's just lovely. These drawers here make up the pantry. Got the Weet-Bix in this one here. We've got the herbs in here, and this is all the same, custom board, stained black, and looking just gorgeous. So hats off to them, with just such clever design, just lovely. All right, we'll go through to the bedroom. And the thing that pops out to me in the bedroom, which is really sharp, are the lights in here. So these is semi-industrial style lights in the bedroom, and the lovely light blue, egg blue shell colour, and these lovely, again, drapes through to the wardrobe. So just the colour blend there, it could be straight out of Kinfolk magazine. It's just gorgeous and nice and minimalistic. And you've got the tactileness of the bare concrete, polished concrete floor. It's just lovely. Right, we will stop here and we'll have a look at the door handles. Now this here, to me, I don't know where they got these from. I've never seen these before, but they are so cool. One of the nicest door handles you'll ever see, he said. Fantastic. Into the bathroom. So we'll go straight into the shower. Just check out the shower. I've never seen one of these fittings before either. It's just so nice. Just goes to show what wonderful taste they've got, and that little pop of orange there with the blue tiles and the white grout. It's just gorgeous. We'll come through now to the toilet and hand basin. And these are wonderfully chosen pieces. Just so trendy, so beautifully put together. Even the sink tap, it's just gorgeous. Now I've been selling apartments now for a good while, and I have to say I haven't seen anything done as nicely as this. It's just so clever. Oh, I've forgotten to show you this. This is one of the great things. This here, right at the doorway, we've got this fantastic cloak rack. So again, a really simple design. You've got particle board again, which is stained in this wonderful dark green colour. You've got your coat rack here, and you've got your shoes going down there, and it's right by the door. And I must also say I'm so impressed with the blue coloured door against the white background. Just gorgeous, just gorgeous. All right, we'll carry on now. And I hope everyone's enjoying my jacket today. There you go. Right, so here through into the second bedroom. So again, the lovely light fittings. But check this out too. Silly, simple little thing here, but we've got this on and off switch here, but a nice little bit of cord and a round wooden handle here. And one other thing that I really like about this is this doorway. So we've got a lovely high, full stud height doorway on these beautiful rollers. Look at that, just with my finger. Just gorgeous. All right. So I hope you've enjoyed our little tour around today. It's been wonderful. This apartment is on the market by way of closed tender. The tender closes next Thursday, the 30th of January 2020. And it's on the market at buyer inquiry over $545,000. 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and right in the middle of town. So the other thing about the apartment, if you wanted to go outside, if you had to go outside and leave this beautiful apartment, then you've got College Street just outside here, and you've got Moore Wilson's, Cheetah, Urban Fitness, La Fare, all these wonderful things just at your doorstep, and you also, this is the building that Miss Wong is in, so if you need a new Flash t-shirt, that's the place to go. I've said enough, and I hope you've enjoyed this. As I said to you, it's a real treat. Now, if you do want to come and have a look at this apartment with me, please do so. But if you want to ring James instead, that's also fine by me. And just another little thing with Tommy's, we do list and sell sell each other's listings at Tommy's. We work together like that. And thank you again to the owners of this beautiful apartment for presenting such a wonderful, wonderful inner city Wellington apartment to the market. Thanks very much. I'm John Kettle, making open homes easy for busy people, saying over and out for now. Arrivederci.